For top-notch window installation in Boise, Idaho, look no further than our expert services. We specialize in energy-efficient windows and double-pane windows, ensuring your home stays comfortable year-round. Our vinyl window replacement options are perfect for those seeking durability and style. Trust us for all your window installation services and custom window solutions in Boise, Idaho, and rely on us for exceptional window replacement Boise, Idaho results. Upgrade your home with our residential window services in Boise. We offer comprehensive window glass replacement and window frame installation to enhance your home's appearance and functionality. Our window sealing and window maintenance services ensure long-lasting performance. Choose us for window insulation and window caulking to improve energy efficiency in Boise, Idaho, especially when you need reliable window replacement Boise, Idaho services. Our window weatherproofing services in Boise are designed to protect your home from the elements. We provide window screen replacement and window hardware installation to keep your windows in top condition. If you need window sash replacement or window leak installation, our team in Boise, Idaho is ready to assist. We also offer window condensation solutions to prevent moisture buildup, making us a trusted choice for window replacement Boise, Idaho. Enhance your home's privacy and style with our window tinting services in Boise, Idaho. Our window glazing options provide added insulation and aesthetic appeal. We offer precise window measurement and window consultation to ensure a perfect fit for your custom windows in Boise, Idaho. Our window installation warranty guarantees peace of mind for all our clients and complements our expert window replacement Boise, Idaho services. For reliable window installation in Boise, Idaho, our team is equipped to handle any issue. From home window upgrades to window glass replacement, we have the expertise to meet your needs. Our Boise window frame installation services are second to none, and we excel in window sealing and window maintenance. Trust us for window insulation and Boise window caulking to enhance your home's energy efficiency, along with professional window replacement Boise, Idaho solutions. Our window weatherproofing services in Boise are designed to withstand the harshest conditions. We offer window screen replacement and Boise window hardware installation to maintain your window's functionality. If you require window sash replacement or window leak installation in Boise, Idaho, our skilled technicians are here to help. We also provide window condensation solutions to keep your home dry and comfortable while delivering reliable window replacement Boise, Idaho services. Transform your home with our window tinting services in Boise, Idaho. Our window glazing options offer superior insulation and style. We provide accurate window measurement and window consultation to ensure your custom windows in Boise, Idaho fit perfectly. With our window installation warranty, you can trust in the quality and durability of our work, including top-rated window replacement Boise, Idaho support. For expert window installation in Boise, Idaho, our team is ready to tackle any challenge. From home window upgrades to window glass replacement, we deliver exceptional results. Our Boise window frame installation services are unmatched, and we specialize in window sealing and window maintenance. Choose us for window insulation and Boise window caulking to boost your home's energy efficiency, and depend on us for skilled window replacement Boise, Idaho service. Window installation in Boise, Idaho is a crucial service for homeowners looking to enhance their property's energy efficiency and aesthetic appeal. With a focus on energy-efficient windows, our team provides top-notch window installation services that ensure your home remains comfortable year-round. Whether you're interested in double-pane windows or vinyl window replacement, our experts are here to assist you with all your window needs and premium window replacement Boise, Idaho options. Energy-efficient windows in Boise are essential for reducing energy costs and improving home comfort. Our selection of double-pane windows offers superior insulation, helping to maintain a consistent indoor temperature. By choosing energy-efficient windows, Boise residents can enjoy lower utility bills and a reduced carbon footprint, making it a smart investment for any homeowner seeking window replacement Boise, Idaho. Vinyl window replacement in Boise, Idaho is a popular choice for those seeking durability and low maintenance. Vinyl windows are resistant to warping, peeling, and fading, making them an excellent option for Boise's varying climate. Our vinyl window installation services ensure a perfect fit and long-lasting performance, providing peace of mind for homeowners looking for dependable window replacement. Boise, Idaho. Window installation services in Boise, Idaho are vital for maintaining the integrity and functionality of your windows. From window frame installation to window glass replacement, our skilled technicians can handle any installation job, big or small. We also offer window sealing and window caulking services to prevent drafts and improve energy efficiency, along with trusted window replacement Boise, Idaho expertise. Custom window solutions in Boise, Idaho allow homeowners to personalize their window installations to match their unique style and needs. Whether you're looking for custom windows or specific window glazing options, our team can create a tailored solution that enhances your home's curb appeal and functionality while supporting complete window replacement. Boise, Idaho customization. Home window upgrades in Boise are an excellent way to increase your property's value and improve its energy efficiency. Our comprehensive range of residential window services includes everything from window insulation to window weatherproofing, ensuring your home is protected from the elements and energy efficient. Count on us when planning window replacement Boise, Idaho projects for your property. Window glass replacement in Boise is a critical service for homes with damaged or outdated windows. Our experts can replace broken or inefficient glass with high-quality, energy-efficient options that improve your home's insulation and security. Trust our team for all your window glass replacement needs in Boise, including complete window replacement Boise, Idaho solutions. Boise window frame installation is essential for maintaining the structural integrity of your windows. Damaged frames can lead to drafts, leaks, and decreased energy efficiency. Our window frame installation services in Boise ensure your windows are secure and functioning optimally, providing long-term benefits for your home and supporting full window replacement Boise, Idaho work. Window sealing in Boise, Idaho is a key component of maintaining energy-efficient windows. Proper sealing prevents air leaks and drafts, keeping your home comfortable and reducing energy costs. Our window sealing services in Boise are designed to enhance the performance of your windows and extend their lifespan, pairing perfectly with window replacement Boise, Idaho services. Window maintenance in Boise is crucial for ensuring the longevity and performance of your windows. Regular maintenance, including window cleaning and inspection, can prevent costly installations and improve energy efficiency. Our window maintenance services in Boise are tailored to meet the needs of local homeowners and support long-lasting window replacement Boise, Idaho results.